Hey, it's your girl Rocky. Happy 9 days until Christmas. In honor of 12 days of Christmas, I am going to be uploading some throwbacks from my transitioning days. So when I was transitioning, I wore my hair in wash and goes, I did braid outs, I did twist outs, I would straighten my hair. I pretty much just did what I would do with my hair if I was natural while I was transitioning. So, you know, with my wash and goes, I had straggly ends, I didn't care. I mean, I just rocked my hair. I was confident in it because I knew eventually I would get to a natural state where my hair would be fully natural. But in the meantime, I wanted to experience natural hair. So I just did all the styles that a natural would do. So I hope that you find that helpful. Maybe it gives you confidence to do the same. I hope these videos inspire you, whether you're relaxed, natural, transitioning, thinking about transitioning, thinking about going natural, because there is a struggle. There is a sense of a struggle while transitioning from relaxed to natural, and from a state of completely straight hair and manageable hair to a state where your hair is unfamiliar. It's not that your hair is unmanageable, it's just unfamiliar to you when you're used to having relaxed hair, and I know how frustrating it could be. So I wanted to upload some of my older videos of me while I was transitioning and really learning my hair, because I feel like if you big chop, you just learn, you have to learn your hair, you have no choice. But if you're transitioning, you can kind of take your time and really learn your hair in a different way. So I hope this helps some of you out there who may be transitioning right now. So let's get started with this video so you can see what I'm talking about. Before we get started though, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll always be in the know when I upload. But please go ahead and subscribe, because I'd love to have you join my sisterhood. I'd love you to be part of the family. So just hit that subscribe button and then we can get started. Okay, so now that that's done, let's get into this video. Getting tired, I'm losing my way. Last section, thank God, because I am over this. These results better be good. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.